morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from, or whatever time you're watching from. Now, at first, what you're going to do first is you're going to get the resources. First of all, you move over to Pinterest. If you don't have the app, just download it. You move over to Pinterest, or you can use their websites first. Now, this is my Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. Okay, so I click on it. Okay, now just write on it, guy with eyeglasses. That's just the prompt, guy with eyeglasses. Now let's search for the guy with eyeglasses. Okay, now this is it. We're going to look for, okay, let's use the exact person I used on that design. Now let's go here. Okay, we're looking for a guy with eyeglasses. Okay, now there's the person. Yeah, so what you're going to do now is click on this three dots. Yeah, okay, click on the three dots, click on it. You see here, follow main circuit, copy link, then download image. So we click on download image. Okay, now we are done downloading the image. That is, we are done for Pinterest. We've gotten the resources that we want to use for that particular design. Now I head over to another app here, Photo Room. Now this Photo Room, now this Photo Room, let me highlight it. Okay, now this Photo Room is actually to remove the background of that particular picture. So we click on it. Okay, we're still waiting for it to load. We click on it. Now what you're going to click next is start from photo. Start from photo, where you have this plus sign. From here it's going to lead you to your gallery. Then this is it. I click on the guy that I just downloaded, the photo of the guy that I just downloaded. Okay, now it's going to remove the green background for me. As simple as that. You're not subscribing, you're not paying anything, just your data. That is it. Okay, now what you're going to click is transparent. You click on this transparent. Click on it. Okay, now it's analyzing, and what you're going to click here to get this edited version of this picture to your gallery. You click on this Bluetooth sign here. Yeah, you click on this Bluetooth sign here. Let me highlight it up. So we click on it. Okay, you see here save to image stroke share, and you click on save to image. Save to image. We are done downloading. We are done removing the background of that particular picture. Then we head over to our Pixlr. Okay, now the size for that particular design is, you click on this three dots here, you click on image size. Okay, now the size of that particular design was 960 width and 1350. That's the height. Okay, we are done setting the size. So what you're going to do now is to, this background, the background of the design is going to be white. So I click here. Please follow up. I click here. Okay, the same way I've highlighted. I click there, then you see here color, transparent, image size, crop, image, and so forth. So we click on this color. I want to change the color now to white. It's going to be white. Okay, let's see. It's going to be a combination of green and white. Combination of green and white. Yeah, that is that. So how did I achieve that? Now this is my green color. So that is actually what I blended the color with green. Okay, now we are done with that. Now what are we going to do now? We click on this plus sign. You see here text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery. Now we click on from, okay, let's create the shape first. We click on shape. Now the shape is going to take an orange color. Yeah, an orange color. You bring it down, you drag it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to copy this same size so I get the exact size. I'm going to copy it and bring it down, drag it down again. Let me take this one up. Okay, drag it down. Now this one is going to be green. Let me change the color. Let me change the color. Let me change the color. Click on it. Change it to green. Yeah, that is it. Okay. Okay. So let me bring it up a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to get the photo that I just edited or that I just removed the background. So we click. Okay, let me check the gallery. Okay, now this is it. This is it. Okay. Okay, now you crop it a little bit. You crop. Okay. Okay. Now you click on this. Okay. Drag it down. Awesome. Okay, now we're done with that. Let me minimize it a little. Okay, okay. Now what next are we gonna do? You see I wrote there was a text behind him, so that was design. Okay, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to change the fonts of this text. I'm going to change the fonts of this text. You've seen here the delete, copy to front to back, position, relative position, size, padding, color, texture, opacity, rotate, marks, fonts. So we click on the fonts. Okay, now these are the font that comes along with the app, but I have my own font. Okay, I'm going to use the same font I use there. Okay, that is it. I'm going to rotate this text. You saw how I rotated it, how it was being rotated on. Okay, sorry. Okay, you drag it back, rotate it back. It must be 90 degrees. 90 degrees. It must be 90 degrees. It must be 90 degrees. Okay, that is it. Then the size, I increase the size. Want it to be big. Okay. Now what am I going to do now to take this back? You click on this. You click on. You click here. You click here. Yes. You click here. I'm going to take. You see here design. You see the pictures and the two colors I've used. Now you drag it down. Awesome. Sorry. This is supposed to be here. Okay. That is it. Now I'll change the color to white. I think white should be okay. Very well. Okay, that is design. That is design. That is design. Okay, what are we going to do next? We wrote there hack. Hack. Okay. Hack. Okay. Let me change the fonts. I want to use another font for this. Use another font for this. Okay, I'm going to rotate it again. Is it vertically? Yeah. Okay. Okay. 90 degrees, remember. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90 degrees, yeah. So I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to increase the size. Okay? Make it big. As big as my head. Yes. Oh. Okay, that is it. Then you saw the smartphone, simply smartphone hack. Okay, I'll type in my smartphone. Yeah, you rotate it again. Rotate it again. Okay, I'll bring it down. Now you're not just going to leave it like this. Let's use 3D shadow. Yes, let's use 3D shadow. This is where I clicked. Sorry, this is where I clicked. 3D shadow, please. You click on it and you enable it. I want to use an orange color. Okay. I reduced it. Okay, I increased the blur, the opacity. Okay, let's take it up a little bit. Okay, done. Okay, so some of you were wondering how I managed to get that long K. Now this is what I did. I did some little magic. Now I clicked on text and I wrote capital letter I. Okay, and what I did, I increased the size of the I. Yeah, I increased the size of the I. So okay, haven't seen it. And we're going to make it to align with the K. So I clicked on position. Yes, and I reduced the moving to 1 pixel. Brought it down. Okay, so that is it. That was how I was able to achieve the long K. Yes. Okay, so what are we going to write again? Okay, I wrote something there. You can be okay. You can start your journey of graphic designing with just your smartphone. Okay, and I also wrote something like secure. Okay, I also wrote something like, okay, I wrote there, create amazing designs for clients with just your smartphone and end massively. Okay, I think that was all I wrote there. So I'm going to minimize this text. Okay, still rotate, remember 90 degrees, nothing less, nothing more. Okay, bring it down here. Okay, let me copy this again and add here. Okay, added it here. It's more long. It's longer now. Okay. So I'm going to change the color of that right up to black. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the fonts. Yes, change the fonts. Go to my fonts. I want to look for a strange font. We have a strange font. No. Let's keep searching. Okay, something like that. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So one particular thing is remaining now. This is what we're going to make that square or that rectangle that you saw there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to shape. I'm going to go to shape. I'm going to go to shape. What I'll do now is to reduce the opacity. Yeah, I reduce the opacity. Now I clicked on stroke twice, 1, 2. Okay, then I change the color to white. Change the color to white. Change the color to white. Okay, now we are going to minimize it a little. It wasn't big like this. Okay. 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 That is that. Great. And I'm going to add a square again. Minimize the square on here, and I'll take it 40. Okay. Okay, let me reduce. Okay, that is it. Then I'll copy it, take it down here. I'll copy it, then I'll take it down here. Take it down here to make it equivalent. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was how I was able to achieve that design. As simple as that. As simple as that. As simple as that. Thank you very much for watching.